Oh, what's up? It's Ryan's 2013 Camaro, and I, 13 of Superior Mobile ByThirteen, am about to get into it to show you what we just did previously. It's this super sweet radio installation. This uses a really nice dash kit. It's a fully integrated thing from PAC, and so it's got this little startup animation on the top there. It's gonna tell us the temperature, that it is too hot in Florida. We've got this terrible door chime module, which is, ta-da, now it's gonna turn off because the door is closed. And it has full functionality like you'd expect out of a radio, except I should probably have a radio station on. It's got hard buttons. This is the AX6000, which is a really beautiful radio. Rear camera capabilities, although we did not install a backup camera on this. It does things. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. There's a micro USB-C. It's not a micro, actually. It's just a USB-C connection right in the glove box so that he can plug in like a USB port or charge his phone, or, you know, you can watch movies on this thing. It's a pretty rad radio. I'm a big fan of it. However, what we probably want to talk about is this amazing dash kit. It's this whole dash bezel piece here, so it comes with new knobs and all of the buttons and the integration that it does. It just works, and it works flawlessly and seamlessly, and we love it. And down here is the factory radio. So he originally had, you know, this terrible thing, and now we don't have this terrible thing anymore, and this actually works. And to be honest with you, the reason that we replaced this radio, other than obviously that thing's just a hunk of junk, was because that hunk of junk actually just failed, and he didn't have any turn signal chimes or, you know, door chimes or any of the sounds that he was supposed to have. He didn't have any radio output. It just stopped working. It bricked out. So that's why, you know, we replaced the radio, and now obviously everything works again. So all is good in the hood. I should turn off that AC for this video. And there's really not much else to say about this other than that's a radio, folks. So if you've got a Camaro and you want to know what this dash kit looks like, it looks like factory. It's a little bit better than factory, and pricing and product information for this will be in the video description. If you are local and want me to do some work on your car, submit a build request via the website. That's also going to be in the video description. And that's all I gotta say. So I'll talk to you later. See ya.